I got a door open.
What's that heart? What is that?
That shit made hella noise though.
I see him. I see him. He's dead. He's coming this way.
My way?
He ain't coming by soon.
He's coming this way for everybody.
Oh fuck!
He opened the door over here.
I'm gonna die.
Oh, okay.
I'm trapped.
See it highlighted.
Fuck off me.
Yeah.
Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Boomslangs. In today's video, we've got some Texas Chainsaw Massacre gameplay. This game's a fucking blast. If you haven't played it yet, be sure to go check it out. It's available on like damn near every console. Definitely be on the lookout for some more Texas Chainsaw content, as well as some Dead by Daylight. But yeah, I'm not gonna hold y'all up. We got some really cool gameplay for y'all today. Today's video is 2 victim rounds, and I'm gonna be posting some killer gameplay here soon. Yeah, hopefully y'all enjoy the video. Peace. Oh, some of this.
Oh, yeah, I'm ready to get this pick on me. Yes, sir.
You see that guy on PlayStation, bro? Can I take Leatherface? He gave him to him too. The gas station. I think it's a new one. This one wasn't in the beta.
Oh, what? That's it.
They only got 3 maps.
Yeah, but whenever they did the beta, there was the farm and then that other one.
Slaughterhouse.
Yeah, which they look nice. I didn't see this one though.
They all look pretty good.
Fuck.
Made it seem like there's only 3 fucking skill branches, but there's like 20 branches.
45 seconds.
Yeah, they gotta have Leatherface.
Yeah.
I like that.
That was my first fucking match. She
He
was
spawns
weird.
with us in the basement.
Prince, why don't you
Cameron's
ready
weird
up?
first, bro.
Or you want this timer to run out? Blue Beetle TTV was getting pissed.
Ready, please.
He was actually pretty polite. Yeah, he was actually polite.
County for a missing University of Texas student. The sheriff's department says
Shit,
Maria
that's
Flores,
embarrassing.
a native of Uvalde,
It's my first day out here.
vehicle was
So we
recently
got a rookie
discovered
here.
abandoned,
Yeah.
with officials reporting no signs of foul
Sure,
play.
they came out today,
Authorities
right?
Carry him
What
on
the hell?
safety, guys.
expanded search.
See that little cutscene? Her trying to pick the lock, just fucking missing it over and over.
Yeah, go ahead and spam out of this too, 'cause they gotta do their little cutscene anyway.
Yeah, I'll be as loud as fuck. I think that wakes Grandpa a little faster though.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
I didn't think about that.
Well, no, he just wakes up when you open the door to the basement.
How do I? Okay, B. This movement feels a little odd. How you run?
Oh, you got
Controls,
spam
move
A.
through.
Oh, it's like fucking GTA.
That's how you sprint. The left bumper is
Oh, like a little,
Bone scrap.
Okay.
your run.
I'm making hella noise.
Yeah, you
Same.
get some bone scrap, you can cut those bitches down.
Oh shit.
What is this?
My build is hard. See all the noise made by you niggas.
Yeah, I'm about to say his ain't bad.
Oh fuck! You scared me.
All right, well we're not staying. Right.
Hey, is the...
I'm this.
It's the
chick
dump
with the
truck.
top.
He's coming, he's coming.
I'm out. I'm
You're
crawling.
with the dump truck.
I'm getting
I'm following that
down.
dump
Help,
truck.
please. That's how you know this is made by the same people
Me
as
hold
Friday,
you,
bro.
girl.
They always give him a fat ol' ass.
Bro, let me
That
hold you.
is sure.
I remember Tiffany Cox from Friday the 13th.
Jane Romero and Dead by
Hey, look at
Daylight.
this, bro.
Should've come here.
Let me hold you real quick.
I hear a chainsaw getting pretty close, bro.
He just ran right past me.
You gonna get you one of these?
Yeah, you can take your time though. I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, I got it. I'll watch. He sounds.
Spamming it.
Bro, he's right there. He's right there. Go, go, go.
So I'm spamming it and running.
Away from Grandpa.
Don't move.
He's breaking through over there.
You're moving.
Yeah, I got a Leatherface on me.
Hold on, stop.
What you doing?
No, he can't get through the other
He can break this.
Fuck, I forgot. You're right. Go ahead and
Go, go, go.
you're right. Can you really let him get through?
I didn't let him get through.
I didn't let him.
Its chainsaw blade was in my rectal cavity.
Oh, get the fuck
We
away
can
from me.
pick the
Oh
door.
my god, you
Yeah, no,
scared.
that's what I'm trying to do.
Go ahead. How y'all doing?
Oh, he's coming.
How does this work? Oh, let's see.
I really like the way this shit looks though.
Yeah, this looks smooth. Well, you gotta find that sweet spot whenever you're picking the lock, huh?
No, you hit it to
I ain't
the
never
green.
did it.
Here, I do it.
I got it. I'm getting this door.
Oh, we need a
Fucking.
use
You need
box.
a use box for that one, Matt.
What?
Is that you next to me?
Oh,
getting
this
out
is
of
me,
here.
Bussy. I thought
I got a door open.
What's that heart? What is that?
That shit made hella noise though.
I see him. I see him. He's dead. He's coming this way.
My way?
you go, Bussy.
He's coming this way for everybody.
Oh fuck!
He opened the door over here.
I'm gonna die.
Oh, okay.
I'm trapped.
See it highlighted.
Fuck off me.
Yeah.
Chainsaw's over here.
Might be.
He's
Run,
bringing
run, run.
it to
Who
us.
is that? Run, run, run.
He's bringing us to.
What do you
bringing it to the
mean?
whole
It's
squad.
the cook.
Cook.
Why is the cook down here?
I don't know. He smacked the shit out of me.
Get out of here. He's chasing whoever's running that way.
I'm dead.
It
Dead as fuck. Oh. Uh-huh.
Yeah, sorry.
I just got murdered. Let's see. I'm gonna try Julie again.
You can incapacitate the grandpa.
Yeah, I know. I've seen where you like beat the shit out of him or stab him, whatever you do.
I don't know what you need.
I'm gonna go beat the fuck out of him.
I think you need that bone scrap.
Okay, I'll go stab him in the head.
So did y'all set up a loadout?
I just
You gotta.
changed-
You can't really do too much until you get deep into the skill trees for real.
Yeah.
So that's
I'm
kind of
trying
like,
to like switch it up, but
Wait, hold on.
is that similar to
You
Dead by
don't-
Daylight or no? Is it kinda
no.
different?
So
No?
like,
Cool.
you got your first 3 options: the top,
And it
left,
takes you
the
different
right.
route. Let's see.
Yeah, but you got to get through all of that till you see that those arrows at the end of those branches. That's when you get to choose your next perk.
Oh.
So you got to get through all of those sections.
Oh,
You gotta
dang,
choose
yeah. I
your
have
next.
a,
I'm just
I
gonna
have a
change my
bunch
fit.
of
Map looks beautiful.
Yeah, bro. The setting and the interiors seem huge. The basement's crazy.
It's pretty.
I'd be lost.
I was pretty spooked right there too. Maybe it's just the first game.
Hope you don't
some shit.
start in the first building in the slaughterhouse. You'll get lost. I literally spent like the first 30 minutes of the match in that building lost. That's how fucking amazing it was.
It's gonna take me a second to get this movement down. It's a little different.
Nearby active
After playing
officers
some
may
Dead by
involve
Daylight.
Odessa sheriff.
And then I got through
Investigating evidence authorities
the actual
locally
part of the
intercepted
map.
years
It was
ago.
huge,
The
bro.
grotesque animal
God damn.
dioramas
I like how you have like different stages you have to reach.
Fucking lit, bro.
Stay quiet and hidden. Yeah, I was not. I was being loud as fuck.
Mine use flyers.
But authorities cannot
I did that.
confirm nor deny potential
Did that too.
I did
I'm
that.
out of there real
I
quick.
opened the door.
report any findings to
I
the
did do
police.
that.
The search
I
continues.
feel like this game will be
where
fun as hell first person for everybody. What do you think?
I don't
If
know.
they had like a mode.
I feel like
So
the
just
third
spam the
person-
shit out of this, right?
Yeah, just
Okay.
tap it. The tap.
We don't want to be
Definitely
sneaky.
gotta fix that.
Oh, they will, yeah.
Oh my God.
Good perks
Why?
going.
What are they doing to me?
Go ahead and open this.
Might set off on the bone things. He's about to.
So where does Leatherface come from? Is he down in that
Oh
basement?
my God!
Down here.
He automatically starts.
Yeah,
chasing.
So
he
he's with
starts
us.
with us in the basement. Yeah, we're in his lair basically.
Oh.
Tell me why I squeezed through a little crack and he was staring at me on the other side.
Sick.
He didn't do anything. He turned around. I don't think he saw me.
So can the cook go ahead and come down here, or like?
Yeah,
do we have
anybody
to
can
unlock
come
it?
down
They
here.
can.
They
and then
just-
they lock
they
the
have to
door behind
unlock-
them.
Yeah, they have to unlock it.
Sick
and lock it.
bastards. And the cook has locks, right? And then the other one
Yeah,
has
he
straps.
can get
Yeah.
extra padlocks on.
Okay, okay.
What's through here?
I need to
Oh,
find
it's
some
over
useful
here.
shit.
I got a. Oh wait, never mind. I can't.
Ain't found anything yet.
I'm in the south tunnel.
I got a lock.
Destroying the barricades where we started.
You will, Julie.
Cutting down these bastards.
Got some closets to hide in and shit.
5 for one.
Let me find them. Get out of here.
I just need to find the door.
Who's the stealthiest character?
Stealth. Well, stealth is really. It's not
Does that make you quieter whenever you get the shit?
Yeah, when you're grabbing the stuff.
Yeah, that's
It
right.
definitely.
He didn't see
I
me.
feel like my chick's alright, because I'm spamming the shit. It's not going up much.
Oh, there's a good one. I'm about to unlock the door now.
Yeah, check that after this. I got 2 bone scraps. This
Their
motherfucker's
faces on
close.
me.
Yeah, I hear him close.
He didn't see me, bro. If you can actually hide.
He's blind. That dude's blind as hell. The
Yeah, I wonder what it
Leatherface.
looks like. What's it look like from their perspective?
It's the same.
Mm-hmm.
Like third person. It's just people can hide real well. Like if especially.
Gee,
if
that's
you were
hard. They
out.
talk to each other.
Who is that? Is that
Joey,
you?
you're still alive. That's what he just said.
Cut this down.
I'm lockpicking the
Careful,
door.
don't make no
How
noise.
did this happen?
Need to find this. I can get us out of here.
How do people like this
I hear a
happen?
chainsaw.
I dropped a bone scrap if you want it right there.
Definitely
Might be able to use
I'm
this.
gonna take that.
good.
Well, actually, you got the. Should I take
Blocking,
one?
goddamn.
Should I take one?
No, I got one. I'm making.
I got a. Oh,
Uh
I got a bone
Oh.
scrap and a health spray.
Open door.
Go ahead. Don't move.
Oh, you need two? There you go. I got
It is. Just let me do one.
This'll help.
But they just saw you.
Me? Oh, fuck. Oh, no.
Highlighted yellow.
Yeah, okay. I wasn't paying attention. I got a pick, though.
What's this?
He's heading my way.
Whenever you hear that scream, Nick. Oh.
Look, you're gonna want this to end fast.
Oh, fuck. Oh, no. You see him right there?
Yeah.
He's
gonna help us?
He's
That's
gonna.
what it- Oh, he opened the door.
I opened the door too.
How good's hiding?
Just crouch in some bushes, to be honest.
It's dirty for that.
Half the time they don't find you.
What happened?
No way this bitch sees me.
Oh, I ran into Leatherface. That's so dirty.
I'm hiding.
Yeah, it's filthy down here, bro.
They
It's
got-
filthy. They
got
are on me.
Johnny and the
Come down.
sissy
Is that door
up-
open?
Both up.
No, he locked
I
it.
opened
He
one.
lock- Oh, he can lock it
Also-
back, bro. That's
No,
sick.
they should be able to lock it back.
Oh no, I got seen.
No, he locked it.
If you lockpick it, you shouldn't be able to.
God, did they see me with grams? This is where I started.
Bro, they're patrolling the top.
Bro,
Oh, he's grandpa.
Hide.
Yeah, I think too.
Oh, he gave me away. He gave me
a
away.
single match. I'm fucked.
Fuck that thing. Oh, my screen's glowing red.
That means they're pretty fucking close, probably.
Yeah.
Okay.
It does.
I'm close.
I
to
got
the
another
door.
unlock tool. What can
Looks
I
like-
use it on up here, Seabass?
What?
This door looks
An
different.
unlock
though.
tool, or is that just for
Oh, this is the
basement?
fuse box
Oh,
door.
unlock tools for everything.
Never.
Okay.
Should have come
I
here.
got
literally
one.
used them to get out last time.
I think I just found an
It's
exit.
You're so blind. I just sprinted
outside.
past all of them.
Who's that up here?
Really gone.
Behind me.
I just got out. I'm so goaded.
I'm right here. So
I got a clip, bro. The
Come
dude
on.
with the knife was chasing me. So then I'm in the same room, and he just loses track of me, starts swinging on me.
thank
And I
heavens.
sprint, and I run into Leatherface, and he's just staring at the wall.
It's our best
Sprint
way out.
past him, and then fuck out. No, that right there, yeah. Damn, girl.
Oh, but
can you
we'll go, Leatherface.
Oh shit. That's
Get
sissy.
up.
End up here.
Let's go this way, I guess.
She on
This
you.
grass is pretty nice, bro. We can
Yeah.
hide in this. Oh, okay, I remember this map.
They could be anywhere.
So we gotta go
Oh my
this way,
God.
right? To the
We need
right.
to heal.
So hold on.
There was a hell spray back there.
Not
You wanna go
now.
back that way?
Got one.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Leatherface come. Why's my game lagging? Oh my god.
Oh. Fuck.
You're they out there this season.
Oh fuck, I'm dead. They just both gutted me down here. Johnny and Sissy are both down
Oh.
here, so.
Got a fuse box.
I'm gonna make plays and
Alright, Sissy's climbing the ladder. Now
Guys
he
got
is too.
Fucked up, dude.
who's that over there next to Grandpa?
Me.
What's up?
What do we
You
know
get
about
chased?
Not good. Not good. Chainsaw
Shit,
man.
bro.
Yeah.
I gotta find out.
He lost me. He lost me.
I'm hiding in this grass over here behind these barrels. Somebody else is close. Oh my god.
Go
Terrified.
away, chainsaw, dude.
Yeah, he's lurking right there. Alright,
Watch
let's
out,
just,
don't move.
how you knowing that's over?
The screams.
the shorty in the
over.
black dress?
It's over.
It's over. Yeah, when that scream, it's like fully
Leatherface
down.
still kind of close to me.
Sonny's in hot water.
Oh, I found the fuse.
Yeah, I'm kind of stuck.
It goes down. It's downstairs, right? Or
Is there,
somewhere
you
else?
count the fuse box?
Yeah, it was downstairs. There's a door.
Oh,
Please.
shit. Actually, I see
please.
it. It's not
Here she
downstairs.
comes.
There was. There it was. I said use fuse box.
Oh, fuck.
I got the valve
See, I
hand.
wonder
I'm
if
too
he's.
injured.
This dude's right here, bro.
No, 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 get out.
Oh, fuck.
I'm swinging it, bitch. Damn, I should have grabbed that hill. Ain't nothing but a hound dog,
Shit, you got well,
baby.
Trey.
Oh, fuck. Oh, that closed. I'm fucked. And I'm out of
Oh
sprint.
my god! I'm dead. I'm dead.
I'm out of Gatorade. Gatorade. I'm out of Gatorade.
Dead.
About to get what? My game's kind of choppy right now too.
Oh, fuck.
Oh,
They
they
getting
screwed.
garbage choppy.
Oh,
Are all
You
y'all
should
dead?
feel proud. They killed the legendary prince. It's the first time I've been executed.
Feeding Gramps.
oh, you found one of the exits.
Well, lock picking's hard.
Come on.
This Bethesda lock picking. I would have had that shit open.
Facts. Get up. Get the hell out of here.
Close the damn door.
Can you latch it?
I don't know. Where the fuck do I go? What does that mean?
Nowhere to hide.
What?
You don't
They
get
cut him a lot of
the
blood.
Go, just fucking get it.
Just get it. Pick up,
Where's the damn
you
door?
Nicholas. Get out of there.
Come on.
Oh, you gotta lock pick another one. You just don't spam
Oh,
it,
did I
you'll
break it? Oh shit!
He
Oh,
unlocked
hell.
it. He said, hey, buddy.
Oh,
Go, bitch! Oh no!
It was too late.
My dead.
Oh, but look at
Oh damn!
That was a hell of a play by this.
that was a right
No! No!
there. Just get through a little crack. He can't follow you.
Oh, I'm dying.
Yeah, stuck.
He bled. She bled out. You're about to get executed.
Well, you pick people up.
Getting Grandpa at Max is the move here.
It's only if they like fall down.
Yeah, you guys hit her on her hips.
Up with some blood. That's the move.
I said there's nowhere to hide. I'll shit my pants.
Yeah, open that door in there, wait. Okay, bud. Come on.
I would have, if I
got
knew you
the
right there, I
same
would have
button,
let you open it.
Fucking